I am Redacted Nine Line. This is the Coin Curiosity Channel. Thank you for tuning in and joining me on the journey here. We have another installment that we're going to be looking at a item from the coin collection purchase, the mid 20th century coin collection purchase that I was able to get my hands on. And so we're going through the items one by one, getting to experience the highs, the lows, just the general analysis of what was in the box. And so what I have here is not one, but two proof sets. And the reason why we have two is because they are both 1985. So we'll go ahead and open this first one here, and we're just going to do a quick confirmation that they indeed are 1985 San Francisco. So we can see the small cent, the nickel, the Kennedy half dollar, the Roosevelt dime, and the Washington quarter. So we have 1985 San Francisco there. So we're going to go ahead and put that one just off to the side so that we can look at the second one, just to confirm, make sure there's no surprises. And this package has probably seen some better days, as there looks to be some interesting toning going on some of these coins. But you know what? Because I just flipped that one over, let me grab this one and just make sure we don't have any crazy reverses on them. So no, we don't. So the second one, 1985 San Francisco, 85 San Francisco. So we have the right coins that should be in the proof set here. I'm just trying to, you just sometimes wonder, is that the case itself? But not looking to pull these out of the cases at this juncture. And again, we have the packaged by the United States Mint on them. But let's go over some of the details, the analysis of the proof set. So original issue price was $11. The face value, 91 cents. 50, 75, 85, 90, 91 cents. And the current value is $7. They had minted 3,362,821 of these proof sets. And again, the individual coin values are greater than what the current value is. If you were to try to buy this as a package together, I haven't gone into a coin store or a pawn shop. I suppose I haven't looked online, either to any sites that are selling this. Let's use eBay as an example, or just typing it in on one of the search engines. But I'd be curious on, if you were to come across these proof sets, what they're going for, again, online as well as in a brick and mortar store, to see if they actually are selling them for around the what the book says they should be, of $7. Or, let's give them the benefit of the doubt. Maybe it's $15 or $20. And I say that in that, you if you're into trying to break these and crack these out and get them individually graded, then you probably would be in a fairly good position if you can get it fairly cheap, as the individual prices of the coins are as follows. So the Kennedy half dollar goes for $15 in perfect condition. The Washington quarter, again, 1985 proof set San Francisco, so the S. But the Washington quarter is $16. The dime is $6. Jefferson nickel, $20. And the Lincoln small cent, which is the memorial reverse, $15. So we had 15 and 16, 31. 31 plus 6 is 37. 37 plus 20 is 57. And 57 plus 15 gets us to $72 if my math is correct. So, again, if you can buy these for $10, $12, $15, it's probably worth it if you wanted to break them out and see if you have any good coins. But here's the strange part about it, and I had briefly alluded to this in the 1984 proof set video that we had reviewed, is that if you have any of these individual coins, and let's say that they're in perfect condition, or you buy this proof set, you're able to get it for $7, and you break these out, and you say, man, I'd really like to get these coins graded. Well, go online. I could probably give you the rough estimate of what it's going to be, but go online and see what it's going to cost you to get this graded, right? On what some third party company is going to charge you to grade the coins. Now, it's one thing, right, for I don't want to go too far off the beaten path here, but it's basically going to cost you, let's just say $35, and that probably doesn't even include the shipping, but $35 to have these coins graded. So, when you're sitting here and you're saying, let's take the highest one, oh, well, you could have a $20 nickel here. Well, is your lay person or average person going to just take your word for it if it's not encapsulated, right? I mean, is a coin dealer, buyer and seller going to say, well, I'm not giving you the $20. $20 is for a graded perfect coin, and you just go, yeah, but I'm not going to spend $35 to do that. So you start running into this pickle on, again, yeah, you can get this for, you can get the whole set for a current value of $7, but you want to get each coin actually graded, you're gonna have to shell out a lot more than $7. A lot more than $7. And again, the beauty is going to be in the eye of the beholder, right? Because you may like these if these are actually on the coin, those that toning, if you will. I'm not sure if that's on the case itself, but you take, like this other one, that we had, does not exist, that toning aspect. So, somebody might say that, this coin or any of these coins are better than these ones. But then you're going to have somebody else that says, I love the way that this is toned out. I'm going to pay significantly more for this quarter than this one. And so, anywho, it's again, I started to go off on my own personal thoughts. I did not expose them all. I do love collecting coins and going through, but it's just a shame sometimes that you get raked over the coals to have a coin graded, and then, but hey, if you're a good seller, and if you're a good, a honest individual, you'll be able to get the money. There are a few individuals out there that are doing some great work online. Specifically again on YouTube that I'm on right now, that are showing the coins and marketing them in a very honest way, and they are just they're killing it, for lack of a better term. They are I envy a few of them. I haven't messaged them, haven't talked to them, so I don't want to say who the channels are. But if you're a fan of my channel, then I'm sure you probably follow a few of the bigger names. So I will just let it be as that. But enough of me. Those were the two 1985 San Francisco proof sets. We got to see them. I do thank everybody for watching. If you have a moment, would be greatly appreciated, especially if you've made it this far, to like the video, leave a comment, and thank you again for joining me on this journey, this reveal of the mid-20th century coin collection purchase. I will always do my best to bring the accurate information, and just having a good time going through these coins. So I have been Redacted 9line for the Coin Curiosity channel. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care.